Welcome. We will discussing about the class at chapter women, caste and reform. That women, caste and reform. There are two major social evils. First was uh, first was with the women's, and second was caste. As you know about the caste was divided in four parts. Four parts. First part was a Brahmin. Second was a Kshatriya. Third was a Vaishya. Fourth was a Shudra. Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Brahmin, as you know about the Brahmin was the top of the society during that time. Second was a Kshatriya, Yodhas, we called Yodhas, and their Raja and Maharaja. Third was a Vaishya. Vaishya was a traders and moneylenders. And moneylenders, it's a Vyapari work. Fourth was a Shudra. Shudra was a Dalits and a lower caste. Dalits and a lower caste. These are four parts of our caste. Four part. These are a four part caste. So these and most of atrocity were done in that time and during that period. Again, when it comes on a woman, these there are very numerous practices like sati pratha, children marriage, widow remarriage, most things. First is sati pratha. Sati pratha. Their widow was burned alive in funerals funerals of their husband's prayer. Husband prayer. You had a polygamy existence. Males are allowed more than one wife. Both are Hindu and Muslims. Both like a Hindu and Muslims also. So all kinds of social evils are existence in our society, and these things needed change. So these things needed change. Now this change come into two forms. First was a reform and second was a revolution. First was a reform and second was a revolution. Second was a revolution. Revolution is a sudden change. And other was a gradual change. It's a very slowly change. It's a very slow, and this is the sudden. So, who was a revolution was a sudden change, and reform was a very slow change. However, we talked about the change and revolutionary activities, but whenever requires a change in the society, in the society, in the social setup, so the change take time and very slow and very gradual. So we call as a reform. So we call as a reform. It's a socially, it's the way of a social change who requires the leaders who walked out these reform known as social reformers, or the crusader and the Malayist and the crusader. So these are common words used for social reformers. The words was first was crusader, crusaders, and second is a Malayist. These are common words. These are common words. So let's talk about the women's situation in the British era. The girl's child was not the girl's child was working, not going to school. They in the during period they if girl child was born, they thought this is unlucky. She is not allowed to outside the house, not allowed to sit in common area, not allowed to play outside with friends. Then she will not allowed to drink from a common tank. So that time this is the issues was used by the society during the period. Considering this known this reform discussing throughout the country. Now coming to the point about the social reformers, and so we talked about the reformers, and we talked about the sati pratha, we talked about the women caste system, we talked about the common words. So the country, so let's talk about so we talked about all kind of things. So let's talk about the in another regions and their association of reform and their reformers. In Bengal, many places was witnessed for so many things, so many association of reformers. So let's first we talk about the Bengal. In a Bengal, Rajaram Mohan Rai Rajaram Mohan Roy was started a Brahma Sabha. Later that time, we known as Brahma Samaj. We known as Brahma Samaj. Brahma Samaj was started by Rajaram Mohan Rai, who was a major Rajaram was a major reformer in India. In India during that period, Rajaram Mohan Rai abolished sati pratha, and after this sati pratha was banned in 1829. Sati pratha was banned in 1829 by British government. Sati pratha was banned in 1829 by British government. Again, one more reformer who worked with the women called Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. He found the issues in widow, so he around the widow remarries, and therefore a Ramakrishna mission. The Ramakrishna mission was established by Ramakrishna Paramhans. This was a no. This Ramakrishna mission was founded by Ramakrishna Paramhans. Ramakrishna mission established by Swami Vivekanand and later on Narendra Nath. The Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand and Narendra Nath. Those are followers. This was the scenario. That was the scenario in a Bengal. Let's talk about a Punjab. We moved into. Let's talk about a Punjab. In a Punjab, we have Arya Samaj, who established by Dayanand Saraswati. Dayanand Saraswati talk about the return to Vedas, girl education, and Dayanand Saraswati was also started a chain, a school chain. We known as a present in we known in present as a DAV school chain. So and we again next we moving on a Bombay. Uh, we have a bomb we have in a Bombay is a Pratna Sabha Samaj, Rao Jyotirao Phule, uh, and in the Andhra side, Theosophical Society. Theosophical Society was later work around Annie Besant. She founded the Hindu University in Varanasi, later known as BHU. So as a BHU, so Banaras Hindu University. And on the side, the Theosophical Society, we have also Theosophical Society. Theosophical Society was a later work around Annie Besant. She founded the Hindu University in Varanasi, later known as BHU, Banaras Hindu University. So many reformers were worked together and separately for social evils. Uh, social evils. These social evils was a very bad things in during that time. The all reformers and all reformers their all reformers work is a major work in a woman's situation that time. So thank you very much.